Dan Sheneman reporting right there. Jamie's with us right now. Plenty of snow coming, Jamie, if anybody's thinking about going sledding themselves.
Right, absolutely. Kids are going to have a great day tomorrow out on the hills. Today we have that snow slowly accumulating through the first part of the day, and then it's going to dump on us by the time we get to the late afternoon and evening. So be prepared for the heaviest snowfall of the day. If you want to get your walk in, the earlier you go, the better. Even though it's going to be cold all day, we'll have less accumulating snow through noon. But still some snow falling at times, and then we get into those mid and late afternoon hours. That's when the snowfall rates really go up, and it's going to accumulate quickly. Temperature right around 20 degrees at 4 o'clock, but it is going to feel like the single digits all day because it's windy, and we're going to have those wind speeds up between 15 and 25 miles per hour, and we're going to see those wind chill values kind of hanging out near 7 or 8 degrees right on through the afternoon. Live Doppler 2 HD radar shows the snow that's moved back into the Miami Valley after we had a little break. We have some snow in Piqua, Troy, Dayton, back towards Eaton, Camden, up to Arcanum and the Greenville area. So we're getting another round of wintry weather coming through right now. And then you can see back to the southwest, some more breaks develop, so it becomes spotty or even isolated before this next batch of snow rolls in later today. So that's the one that's going to bring the rapidly deteriorating road conditions to the area by the time we get to late afternoon. Here's how everything times out. Morning, scattered snow showers, light accumulation. Heading towards lunchtime, kind of isolated snow, and then we get towards those drive home hours between 4 and 6 p.m. Heavy snow will be developing, and we expect high accumulation to continue into the overnight hours. And it's going to be windy through that time, so we're also going to be dealing with blowing and drifting snow, low visibility at times. And then Tuesday morning, the accumulating snow will be over, but we're still going to have some blowing and drifting snow, possibly low visibilities, and even the roads that have been plowed are going to become snow covered again because of that blowing. Here's a look at those snowfall totals. Most of the area in that 8 to 11 inches. And then across the southeast, slightly lower total. Some of the models are trying to bring in some warmer air where we see a little more mixing down that way. There is going to be a sharp gradient between a lot of snow and then a lot of less snow with that mixing occurring. So we'll continue to update that as we head through the day, but really a major winter storm impacting travel across the region. So this morning it's been light to moderate snow. As we go towards lunchtime, we'll catch maybe a break where things become a little more isolated. And then we go towards 5 o'clock and it does get heavy. We could have around an inch an hour snowfall rates, and notice that mixing line getting close to those southeast counties. That will continue as we head into the overnight hours. Some steady heavy snow still falling at 11 o'clock. And then we go into tomorrow morning and we start to see the snow come to an end, but still a few scattered flurries will be possible in the cold air mass that will still be in place. Today we're up to 20. We'll have snow showers continuing on and off, accumulating 2 to 3 inches, and blowing and drifting will occur. Snow will fall heavy at times tonight. It'll be windy with lows dropping to 12 degrees, and then tomorrow we're up to 18, but again, it's going to feel like the single digits all day. Accumulating snow comes to an end. We'll have storm totals 6 to 11 inches, but still a few flurries will be possible Tuesday. Wednesday, a cold, cloudy day with a high of 21. And then Wednesday night into Thursday, more snow rolls in. That will also accumulate across the area. Friday and Saturday, we'll only see highs in the 20s. And by Sunday, we may finally come back above freezing.